It's your boy JQ with another banger. I'm gonna be putting my PC live on stream right now. Yeah, appreciate it. Bro, there's so many people typing, like I'm fucking confused as fuck. Y'all really are hurting my brain. Look at Discord. Bro, call me on Discord. Like, I can join your Discord right now. Talk to me on Discord. Hold on. I'm about to join Discord. I'm on the toilet. What the fuck? That's gonna help me a lot, Quan. Hold on. Hey, wait. I'm gonna go to my stream right quick. Hold on. Let me go to my stream so I can click that link. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Do it again. Wait, can you click on this shit? Bro, can somebody just DM me that shit? I can't click that, bro. Hey, I don't know. Bro. Oh, on Discord? Bro, I'm fucked up, bro. I'm fucked up. I ain't gonna lie, this gonna be a headache. I should turn this into a goddamn video. The worst fucking PC build ever. God damn, you slow. You just not realizing that, bro. I know the stuff I need to know, okay? This shit here, I don't need to know. Bro, this shit probably about to put me to fucking sleep, bro. Damn, I should have thought this through. Nigga, I would better off just buying me a regular PC, bro. I'm not right, bro. This not boring, bro. I've been watching this man for 3 years. Bro, can the video play? Like, holy fuck. I can't promise that. Like, I be losing, like, focus. Here we go.
What's up, guys? Jay's 2 cents here, and we need to build a new computer. We are going to build ourselves the ultimate 9900K editing rig. So we've teamed up with MSI to show you how to build it.
Yeah, this the ghetto version.
So these are the parts that we've chosen for our 9900K build, and again, a huge thank you to MSI
for
sponsoring today's video. Now, the main part of this, and everything's going to attach to, is our MEG Z390 Godlike. This is their flagship Z390 motherboard. It has all the features we need to unlock all of the features of our 9900K. It's overclockable, expandable, it even has a live streaming capture card that comes with it, as well as an M.2 expansion card that can plug into your PCI Express lanes, giving you a total of 5 NVMe M.2 drives on this. So that's amazing when it comes to a motherboard. For our graphics card, we've also chosen the MSI RTX 2080 Ti Trio. This is a custom PCB, overclocking friendly 2080 Ti that's going to give our gaming performance as well as our rendering performance a huge boost. Now, as mentioned, we've got our 9900K. We will be overclocking this because, you know, overclocking. You might be asking yourself why we chose a 9900K for an editing rig when there's X299 and much higher core count CPUs out there. Well, that is because of QuickSync. This has something called QuickSync, which means Premiere can actually leverage the internal GPU in this chip as well as our GPU on top of all the other core workout that's happening during Premiere to give us a huge edge when it comes to rendering speeds. So we saw a huge improvement with the 9900K in our small form factor build when we enabled hardware encoding, and it was a huge boost.
As for, I don't want to miss none.
Even with having a GPU, so that's why we're using that. This is a Corsair power supply, and we're using a custom sleeved cable set for that to make it look good, obviously.
If your camera can't do this,
a little bit of an extreme build. We want it to look as good as possible because it's a showpiece as well as a a regular desktop PC. Now we've got here some very special edition Corsair RAM. This is the Dominator Platinum back on this build, which is all kind of case board or graphics or spinning storage. A 3 is a run and the that and screwdriver, and this is a multi-bit driver.
I ain't got none of this shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Up on the other, and then 2 different sides.
I ain't got no tools.
As well as a 6mm.
Niggas didn't tell me I needed all this.
This is usually all you need to get the job done. But because I'm a little bit lazier, I like to use a power screwdriver, so we'll be using one of these today.
Niggas didn't tell me
zip ties.
You don't need that.
Side cutters and a magnetic bowl. This is kind of optional tools. It just helps you stay organized. We'll be zip tying wires and stuff for cable management. The side cutters to cut the zip ties, and then of course we don't want to lose any of our screws. So we have this magnetic tray to put all of our screws in.
What the fuck I need a screwdriver for?
Parts, and we've talked about the tools.
Think about that. What the fuck do I need a screwdriver for?
How to put it together. So the first thing you're going to do is prepare your case.
Now,
there's no one method that's going to work for every single case that's out there, so you're going to probably have to
I got all the supplies y'all told me to get.
You chose. So we're going to take off both side panels on this because we're going to need to access
this shit.
Obviously both sides of this
glue in the
case.
Back, dickhead.
And get these out of the way for safekeeping because we have a tempered
But you don't talk like
panel.
that at all.
We're going to put this somewhere
to
where
screw
I
something up, everyone has to
inside
screwdriver.
pretty much every single case manufactured box is a box of accessories. It's just going to have all your screws, any mounting plates that you need for hard drives,
my fault, Tess,
or whatever else. In this case, Be Quiet puts everything in this box.
Hands dirty.
Drive sleds.
Bitch, I changed my own tires and shit like that. That's getting my hands dirty.
Zip ties.
I changed my own
everything
oil,
you need
so
is
shut
here.
the fuck up.
So locate yours and set it aside. We'll use that in a minute. But now that we've got our case pretty much ready, we're going to go ahead and move on to the motherboard. So
hey, Prue, you got a screw? Oh, can I have your screwdriver real quick for this build shit? They didn't tell me to goddamn get a fucking screwdriver. I ain't everybody calling me the dumbass. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My roommate has saved the day. We have tools. Now what the fuck y'all gonna say? What the fuck y'all gonna say now? Who's the dumbass? Who's the dumbass? Not me. My sister can change a tire? I don't give a fuck what your sister can do. I said me. I can fucking change my oil. I can fucking fix my AC. Like, bitch, I know how to do all this shit. You, like, bitch, is implied. Nobody told me to get tools. But we over that. Next. What we doing now, Quan? Come on. I got the tools now. What we do? And I'm saying you're not doing nothing crazy, stupid. You don't talk like that. Quan no goddamn took a break from watching me for a while and think he just talked like that. Like, you don't talk like that, Quan fucking verse. Like, what the fuck? Holy fuck. Quan verse. You don't talk like that. Like, okay, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all, bro. It's hard for me to stay focused. This is a hard task. Watching a video, like, bro, staying focused on this video, I don't know how long. Like, I zone out type shit. So, do we just put the motherboard, like, on some random shit? Like, okay.
I'd open up the case, and then there should be standoffs, like, little, like, things that pushes the motherboard, like, you don't put it, like, flush to the case.
Yeah.
There's some stands that you screw in, and then you screw the motherboard into those stands. But before I'd even do that, I'd put you got a power supply? I'd put the power supply in the case first, is what I would do.
This shit kind of heavy. Wait. Bitch got ADHD. We know. Nah, you got some more. Just take it to a damn professional. Fuck that. Cause I got that, and I'm perfectly fine. Motherboard. He makes me lose brain cells. I'm gonna make sure my kids have an education. Bro, I got my fucking goddamn my diploma, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? I graduated with A's and B's. I had a 3.0. I'm like, what the fuck? What is going on here? Like, niggas acting like I didn't graduate with a 3.0. I kept A's and B's my whole career. You was in special classes? No, sir. Bro, y'all niggas not helping me, though. All you had to do was color. Special ed kids has ass and bullshit, JQ. Wait, have ass and bullshit, JQ. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck y'all saying. Which girl teachers like you? Okay, let's go. Let's get it. I'm ready. Come on, man. Y'all gotta stop bullshit. Lock in if I tweak out. This PC not gonna build itself? Exactly. And I wanna like my plan is to build it today. Next week I should be streaming on it. I have to get a Elgato. Nobody told me what type of Elgato. Ass and bullshit, JQ. Oh, A's and B's, JQ, S and grades. Damn, you gotta be dumb. Fuck. You're like a lump on a log. You been tweaked out. If it work, I ain't gonna lie. L dick suck, Tay. Nigga, it's gonna work. You can use your current capture card, but it's gonna be ass. I know that. Yeah, we gonna do a test stream. If we can get this shit built, like, if we get this shit started, I'll do a test stream. I just really don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm gonna be honest. Like, you know how, like, when somebody telling you how to do something, you still, like, don't really know what you're doing type shit? That's what's going on right now. So, let's get it, man. Take what out the case? Y'all keep saying that. Like, I'm being dead ass. You want me to take it out the plastic? You're not gonna get nowhere just sitting there. Which one is the case, bro? This is the biggest box I got. The motherboard. Yeah, this is the motherboard. I don't know what the hell. No, the fuck is not. This is the motherboard. Oh, this the case? This what y'all talking about? Oh, shit. Why y'all didn't say that? What the fuck? Y'all should have just said that shit. Bitch, what's the black thing on the bed? I'm finna order some Zaxby. You stressing me out? Maya, order me some. I'm coming up that way today. Come on, bro. JQ eat glue? I'm not gonna deny it. Okay, guys. This is my case. According to... Alright. Alright. Open it up? What you mean? How you do all that? Oh shit! I appreciate y'all that like real shit that like helped me out. That last payout, I'ma use that shit to get my gaming table. Take off the glass, bro. Why would I take off the glass? What the fuck? How you do that? Bro. How you taking this shit off, man?
3090 Ti. Right now.
I'm glad this shit is funny, y'all. I'm being so fucking serious. I just want to hurry up and build this shit real quick. Unscrew it, fucker. Damn. Damn, alright. Oh, you talking about this yellow shit? Do this unscrew it? Nah. That ain't it. Bro, come on, real shit. You talking about this shit right here? Oh shit, I almost knocked that over. Y'all need to turn my light on so y'all need to see. I turn my light on so y'all can see. You extra Aquarius? Alright, okay. I ain't trying to break this glass right here. Wait, I might need to scoot this over more so I don't break the glass.
I've been looking at some new news for like hardware space, and they're like, yeah, like there were a bunch of people like last month saying like, oh yeah, the new graphics cards are gonna come out this year, and it's like, not at all. They're probably coming out next year at better release. So. The only thing that there is well, the oldest thing is the motherboard and CPU right now, and power supply.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I'm gonna break some shit.
That's the other thing I did is I got copper cards.
Alright, the glass still not coming off. I unscrewed them things, but the glass still not coming off. Wait. Oh shit. Hold on.
I'm pretty sure you don't have RGB posted. In the back. Like,
Oh shit.
yeah, it's not keeping it. Yeah, you can't see the cable, so.
Alright, you see that? I took the glass off.
There was some person that said my cable had
I'ma just put the glass over here.
really doesn't come out.
Alright. Can you see good?
Yeah, you
Corn?
don't have wireless connections, bro.
I can try to like scoot my bed up.
Yeah.
Hold on, should I screw the backside back on? Like I unscrewed the backside too.
Yeah,
Or did-
you want to take the back part out too.
Take it off
You gotta
too?
get back there. To,
Okay.
you gotta screw some stuff in back there. Yeah, I was like, dude, like literally, it only come out.
Alright, so Lay this shit down, you said.